Hi, welcome to APT Application Process Technology. Today we are introducing APT W3 CRM module and the sales process. So CRM module is new in Web3. First, let me log in into the application and then I will give overview of the CRM module and the sales process. Okay, so as previous video, we already shown the main page, landing page, dashboard and everything. So today directly we will land to the CRM module. First of all, it is connected. CRM module is connected to customer and the supplier vendors, where CRM includes customer prospect, uh, details, contact details, address, company information, and everything which is related to a customer and the supplier information is included in the CRM. So here, first we will search for the CRM module. It's in the customer relations part. Okay, so this is the CRM module where first of all we have to create a prospect. So this is the prospect where the information, detailed information of a supplier and the customer we have to fill. Organization name, then prospect type can be customer and supplier, country, region, postal code, all address related information, that particular profile related to the customer and supplier will be saved here. Here you can add the multiple addresses, then multiple contacts as well, and multiple files. And the other information like license number, date of issue, date of expiration, this is the additional information which you can save it. Okay, so once the prospect is created, it will go as an entry into the master of customer table. Then from there you can connect it to the sales process. Like first process will be the inquiry. Based on the inquiry what customer wants, it will create a quotation. See here, this is first of all added by the prospect, then added into the customer master file, and then for this particular customer the inquiry is raised. Whatever their prospect, what they want, what is their perspective, what they require, everything will be generated as an inquiry from the customer side. Once this is created, here you can see it is having all the necessary fields: camping, exchange rate, customer. From here we can select, it's the customer master table. Then currency, different type of currencies we can select, that is the Australian dollar, dirham, Indian rupee. So multi-currency option also we have. Status can be active, completed or hold. Then salesperson also we can select from here. Then different fields like definition, what they want, the details about that particular product, that's unit quantity, unit cost, FC unit cost, everything we can mention here. Then identification, description, their estimation requirement, type, code name, remarks, then correspondence to that particular product and its documentation. All the necessary information related to the customers, what they want, they can add it in this inquiry. We have the different buttons like add, save, undo, delete, search, close, and the print copy option also. Okay, so this is about the inquiry. Once the inquiry is generated from the customer side, it will be quoted in the customer quotation module. Here, as you can see, for the particular customer, Nakil Properties, it have generated the quote. Okay, so all the information related to the quotation will be seen here, where the quotation number, inquiry type, its exchange rate, payment schedule, contact created by salesperson, its delivery date and description, everything related to the code will be seen here and you can fill the details. Then items, whatever items they require, its description, same unit, quantity, rate, FC rate. Then that is the unit conversion. If the base unit is in other currency and the unit conversion you want to be in their precise different quantity, different unit rate, so that can be seen here. Then text summary will be seen here. Based on the different countries, text will be calculated. Then notes part is here, you can add the notes part in any language, as we are supporting multi-language also. Then delivery part, that delivery mode, city port of landing, city port of discharge, everything can be added here. Okay, once the quotation is ready, then it will go into the sales order. The order will be generated based on the quotation. See, same for same customer, once it is quoted, then the sales order will be generated, where we have the order number, its order date, invoicing type, LPO number, delivery date, currency, salesperson. So from start to the end, everything will be seen here, like which was the salesperson based on that customer. And from here only, while creating the sales order, you can select that particular customer. Okay, then reference date created by invoicing method. Same way here, items will be seen, like its description, its base unit part, its unit conversion part. And here you can see we have the option of link code details, which quotation we have created in the last process, that we can link in sales order. Okay, then text summary part, same way, like based on the country and the which kind of product and the quotation you have generated, you can select the text summary here also. Then notes, delivery part, packing, you can add that additional information here. Here is the workflow option also, where it will create the workflow. Right now there is no assignments based on this customer, so it will show this kind of pop-up message. Then copy, print options, print, all we have in sales order. Once this is generated, then it will go into the next module, that is the delivery note. Okay, then once the delivery note, for this particular customers we don't have delivery note. Once that is done, then it will go generate the sales invoice. So here is the sales invoice, where you have the all the information of that customer, that is the contact, payment schedule, invoice date, reference name, card type, card description, reference date. Then same way the items of that particular products. Then expenses also we have, that is related to amounts, it's credit, debit information. Then documentation part, shipment part, text summary, notes, everything will be seen in this particular sales invoice. That there will be the net amount which is generated, its final amount, based on that round of HC and FC will be done and the net amount will be generated. Okay, once this sales invoice is done, then you have the option of sales return also. Then customer credit note, as we are doing the uh, shopping, same way here you have the return. If you like the product, you can keep it, otherwise return will be generated. Then customer credit note is there, customer debit note is there. Based on these things, we have the report section also. Okay, here you can see the sales report also. Based on the selection of the date, the reports will be generated. here right now no records were found. So based on the selection of the reports, we can generate. Here as I am selecting it from April till September. So you can see the reports are generated based on the custom selection for that particular sales invoice, sales order done. Okay, so same way we have the report section for different parts also, that is supplier statement, sales report, sales order report, salesperson sales. Okay, so this is all about the sales and the CRM module. Thanks for watching this video.